ticket to anywhere. Maybe we'll make a deal.
Hi guys, today we're going to do the engine bay clean on the Passat. So what I've got is we've got the microfiber cloths, plenty of them because we're not sure how many we'll need. Warm water, which I'm going to put a bit of fairy liquid in, you can use any kind you like. Toothbrushes to get into the fiddly parts of the car, and auto glue vinyl and rubber care just to make it all black again and shiny. So to start with, if it's a bit dusty inside, what you're going to do is you're probably going to get your hoover, give it a good clean. We don't need to do that with this because it is quite clean, so I'm going to go ahead and put the washing up liquid in the warm water and try not to spill it on the car. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a shake to mix it all in. I think I might have put a bit too much in there. I'm just going to cover the full of the car. I'm just going to take off all of the thick until we get onto the vinyl and rubber care. It's not thick water, so it's not too bad if you get a bit more on than you planned. I'm going to take a toothbrush and a microfiber cloth, and we're just going to give it a wipe around, making sure we get all of the dirt off the car. Actually, missed the sides. I'm just going to go over it with the cloth to get all the thick off. Hard to reach places, it might be easier to spray either onto the brush or the cloth, whichever you find easiest. So I've just finished cleaning it all with the warm soapy water. It's took off all of the dirt and the grease. I've used a toothbrush to get into the parts that I couldn't reach with my fingers. Gave it a wipe over with the cloth afterwards. So now that it's all dry, and make sure that it is dry, you don't want to be mixing this with water. I'm now going to be using the auto glue vinyl and rubber care. So to use this, we're going to shake it first. You can put it onto plastic, paintwork, rubber, vinyl. You can use it inside and outside the car, and it does say you can use it for the engine bay as well. Just going to give it a shake. So you can use it all over the engine bay, but personally, if it's the parts that you can't reach to, I would spray it onto the microfiber cloth first and then give it a wipe over. So now I'm going to focus on into the actual engine bay, making sure I get all of the pipes and things as well and get them looking as clean as we can. without using a hose pipe, which you can do, but it depends on how comfortable you are and the electrics that is involved with the car. One thing I did forget to say at the start is make sure that the engine is cold. We don't want you putting any of these on the engine whilst it is still hot. If you've got any questions, pop them in the comments, but please don't forget to like and subscribe.